I really enjoy learning at Quantic and also like meeting other students. The connection we built is gonna be for the rest of my life. My name is Risa Hinokuma. My current role is Customer Support Manager for Asia Pacific region at Evernote. So I'm from Japan, but moved to US about 15 years ago. So working in the US for many years, I always felt insecure about not having a degree from US. I noticed that I have a lack of knowledge about business analytics. One thing I like about Quantic is that, of course, the knowledge I gain from the coursework helped, but also by going to meetups. And then I noticed that I'm more confident going to those meetings and then leading people. They have many students from all over the world. So I was able to meet people in Singapore, meet people in North America, everywhere. It's so important to learn global perspective in general, but especially working from home, getting those perspectives, it's so valuable. This is like the best investment I did. Through Quantic, I was able to meet many students from all over the world, and that is priceless. So if you are thinking about applying to Quantic, definitely do it. I'm very excited about my graduation and my career in the future.